In preparation for the Arctic Circle Assembly, I've made a review of climate-altering technologies. One major category is solar radiation modification. And that involves in the Arctic, for example, ideas around changing the reflectivity of the climate system, marine cloud brightening, for example. Through the process of contemplating intervention into the climate system, I'm convinced that we should really go to the source of the problem of climate change, which is overloaded atmospheric CO2. And that's another then class of this discussion, which is carbon dioxide removal. Carbon dioxide removal, I think, is the big project that where we should focus our energy rather than other types of climate interventions. We need civil society at the table to discuss climate-altering technologies. This should not be just something that elites discuss. So a kind of a citizens' assembly approach may be best. It needs to, in the very least, be on the radar of the Arctic Council of Nations so that they're aware that this issue is developing, and there's a lot of hypothetical concepts about climate-altering technologies that in the very least should be contemplated.